Alright, I wanted to show you two things that aren't making sense. This has been working for 2 months and now all of a sudden it won't work. As you'll see, I won't get confirmation emails. And then the other thing, I'll just be able to sign in. So I'm just going to do a quick sign up with a fake email. And then what you're going to see, okay, so this should send a confirmation email. I'm going to show you the logic and the workflow after this. And I don't understand what's happening. I haven't changed anything, and all of a sudden it stops working. Okay, so here's the email. I just use a generic one. Now, I guess we'll go ahead and sign in. So we just did Builder 5. And it just lets you sign in. Okay, now when we actually look at the logic over here, that doesn't make sense with what we did. So when you sign the user up, number one, it says right here, and again, this has been working for months. I don't understand how this just stopped working today. Send an email to confirm, right? There's the check mark right there. It also has logic built in that when the login button is clicked, it should only allow it to search for the person's emails confirmed no. If it's confirmed no, which I'd never confirmed it as you just saw, then they should get a pop-up that says resend confirmation, and then it hides the pop-up. The only time it should let you sign in is if when it does a search for the users, the first email is confirmed yes, then it hides the pop-up and it should go to the dashboard. Right now it's just completely bypassing it. As you can see, I still don't have an email confirmation here, and we just saw that when the sign up button is clicked, send an email confirmation. So now we're not getting confirmations, and it's allowing anybody to sign in at any time. So that is, I just wanted to show you one other thing. Hold on a second. The only other thing I wanted to show you is when we have an actual user that signs out, there's a button up here that was hidden, but it's the exact same thing. We do Builder 6 this time. Just copy that. Sign up. So this is a pop-up. It was not. It's the exact same thing. If you look at the workflows, it's literally the exact same thing. So this is embedded on the page. I need to be able to get back over here, which shows the buttons up here. So I'm going to log out. Remember, that was Builder 6 that we just created, and it'll let you log in. So I didn't confirm any emails, and that logic is also built here. Reusable elements, sign up, and that exact same logic, word for word, is built on this one. When the user is no, show a pop-up. When the user is yes, log them in, go to the dashboard. But as you saw, I never confirmed anything. Like I said, this has been working for 2 months, more, like 4 months actually, and then all of a sudden it stopped working today. So please let me know. Thank you.